Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. Friends, today's agenda would be we are going to talk about three major indexes of US stock market: Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500. We are going to talk in depth for weekly, monthly and daily outlook. And before we start our analysis, first of all, wish you all very happy Diwali to all our Indian subscribers. And if you are new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. Basically, we make videos on this channel for US as well as Indian stock market, and we do pure technical analysis on this channel. So let's go ahead and start our analysis. We will go to TradingView, our favorite software. So this is the date chart of Nasdaq 100. So 2 weeks back when we did our analysis, we clearly mentioned or discussed that 10,950 and 11,050 is an important support area for Nasdaq 100. So these two black lines, the lower line is 10,915, upper line is 11,050. So this is the support area which Nasdaq 100 is holding from last many days. So this is, just a moment, let's figure it out again, the support area. Yeah, so this is the support area. This we are talking about 10,915 and 11,060. Now you see here, last week there were a lot of newses came, and then market reacted on that. It almost went till 10,500 on the intraday itself, but it closed above 10,000, 11,060. Okay, and then again on the next day it went down, it closed below 10,750, but again it went and closed above 11,060. Okay, so you can see here the moral of the story is it spent a lot of time here and then started going up again. So this says that the currently market is holding 10,950 very strongly. 10,950 very strongly. Okay, it is not giving up that level at this point of time. Okay, so on the Discord channel itself I mentioned that we are kind of bullish onto the market on the shorter time frame. The first target would be 11,275, which is this green line. Second was 11,600 and third is 11,800. So we achieved the first target of 11,275. The second target we almost achieved near, you can see here, 11,500 and something here, 550 or something, which happened today itself. And today is like Dow Jones futures are trading right now at this point of time. So second target is almost done and third target was 11,800. So now what? Now the picture is again same. Unless and until we are holding 10,950, I would say that market might go back towards 11,600 and 11,800. Now the most important thing is, if it's sustainable above 11,800, then definitely market dynamics might change for the short term. Okay, it will open the gate for 12,200, 12,400 and up till 12,800. So 11,800 is very crucial resistance. If it breaks, and with the good volume it breaks, then definitely you will see lot of upside is coming into the market. If we see the weekly chart, okay, but before that let's talk about some downside also, and then I will talk about weekly chart. So 11,800 is important resistance. Now If market starts cracking below 10,950, then the first target is coming around 10,650. Second target is coming around 10,300. So at this level, it's very difficult to short because we need to wait and watch for 10,950 to cross. Then only it's a good time to short. But if somebody wants to take a long, it can be a good time to take a long, as well as it is above 11,275, which was its first resistance, is become now support. If market sustain above 11,275 consistently, then definitely one can play for 11,600 and 11,800. If we see the weekly chart here, okay, if we see the weekly chart here, you can clear cut see that on the weekly time frame, after market continuously going from 13,800, it made a bottom near 10,900, and from there last week it has created a bullish engulfing pattern. This is a bullish engulfing pattern, and the low and the low and the open was same for the last week, which says or which shows a very positive sign at this point of time. So it's very important, we need to stay long and we need to be short only when it breaks 10,950. This is the overall situation which I am seeing onto the Nasdaq 100. If we see the monthly chart is still in the making. Monthly chart is not completed at this point of time, but monthly chart says here currently it is trying to create a spinning top, means no decision. Okay, it's a sister of doji pattern, so we need to wait for a few more days to monthly chart monthly pattern to get created. Let's talk about Dow Jones. In the Dow Jones, I saw some important thing which I want to share. Dow Jones has broken a short-term resistance trend line. You can see here, this was a short-term resistance trend line, and it broke with a good volume at this point of time. You can see here, this was a trend line, short-term trend line resistance. It got broke here on the Friday itself. Now, the important level to watch is 11,350. Okay, if Dow Jones stays above 11,350, okay, so the immediate upside of almost 4 to 500 points, 11,900 is there, and sorry, 31,900, my bad. So 31,350 is, if Dow Jones breaks and sustain above that, then 31,900 is the first target, and then second target is coming around 32,400. Okay, this can be possible in the Dow Jones. Now, where is the downside? The downside is, you can see here, it's almost 900 point gap, means if it doesn't sustain above 31,300, okay, and starts going down here, then it has support around 30,100. Okay, 30,100. So in the Dow Jones, I would say one should be long above 31,350, but one should be short only when it starts trading below 30,100 for the target of 29,500 and 29,200. So friends, you must be saying that why there is a big gap, while selling. See, because the support is coming around 31,000, 30,100. If you sell in between somewhere here, okay, the green line and black line, we don't know the possibility. It might go up from here or it might go down from here. So we really need to watch the levels to get breaked. So this is 30,100 is very important level support. If it breaks, then definitely higher chances that we will go down more. Okay, and if it breaks 31,350, then higher chances that it will go towards 31,900. So that is called as a breakout or breakdown trading. Okay, if we do trading in between channel, then we are doing a gambling. We don't know where it is going to go. But once it break the importance levels, then the probability is more. So this is all about probability game, my friends. If we see the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, see, the weekly chart says that last week closing was very good. Okay, and the high probability that, as I mentioned, 31,900 is highly possible if market goes into the positive momentum this week also. If we talk about S&P 500, the same thing for S&P 500. Let's hide the volume here. The same thing for S&P 500, like Nasdaq 100. It broke a resistance, trend line resistance on the Friday, and now the important level to watch is 3765. 3765. If S&P 500 trade and sustain above 3765, then immediate target is coming around 3845. And if it stays and sustain above that, then 3920. Now, if it doesn't sustain above 3765, then the first support is coming around 3710. And if it doesn't hold that 3710, then almost 110 point downside is possible, that is 3600. These are the levels for upside and downside for S&P 500. Weekly chart, you can see here, weekly chart looks very strong at this point of time, but we need to play with our levels. One more important thing, we have events coming up. You can see here, Wednesday we have new home sales, Thursday we have durable goods orders, GDP growth rate, Friday we have personal income MOM, personal spending MOM. But the important event is coming on 2nd of November, and that is Fed interest rate decision and Fed press conference. So this event will again, uh, create a lot of changes into the market dynamics. So till this 2nd of November, wherever you find the trend, either it's in the uptrend, then be on the upside. If it's in the downtrend, then be in the downside. But on Wednesday, you know once the Fed interest rate decision and Fed conference takes place, then you will see the changes into the indexes or the market. So this was all about today, my friends. I hope you learned something out of this today's video. Make sure, in case you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, so you will get the notification of all future video which I'm going to make on this market. Till then, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.